Hello everyone! In today's guide, I'll show you how to turn off joins in Roblox so you can hide your activity status and stop others from joining your games. So now let's get started. First, log in your Roblox account in your preferred device. Once logged in, click More. Then scroll down, then click on the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, select Privacy and Content Maturity from the left-hand options. Click the Visibility and Private Servers section, and then click on Visibility. In the Visibility settings, you'll see options for who can see or join your games. To prevent anyone from joining your games, set the option to No One. And that's it. You've successfully turned off joins in Roblox. Now, no one can see or join your games. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.